Welcome back, JDC family. My name is Jay. This is my Diecast Creations channel, and today we got another package. We got another entry into the Double Trouble build-off. David from Twyce Diecast has sent in a package. And I know the scenery hasn't changed much, guys. This is the third package we're opening back to back here. You guys might see it a day or two later, right? But basically, David reached out and said, "Hey, man, I'm putting a video up. If you want a surprise, don't watch it because the package is in the mail." Okay, so I did not watch it. I have no idea actually what's in this. So I do know that it has the Double Trouble. It has something to do with Double Trouble. And David is, he considers himself an amateur builder. He doesn't do a lot of building. He's more into the collecting of very oddball style cars. Not what most people go for. He gets a lot of stuff from China and Australia and Japan and like over there in Europe. He's always into like weird named manufacturers that like nobody ever heard of and nobody really looks for. But I can definitely appreciate what he's into because so David doesn't even know this, but it's different, you know, obviously this is a collector's thing, but he sent me some protein powder and I'm gonna need all the protein I can get here. It's funny because David collects oddball cars, so he likes like the four-door sedans from like, you know, the weirdest companies out there that nobody would ever look for because they're just a family car or whatever. But it's funny because me and my brother played Forza Motorsports for a good 8-year run. And there's always like what we called cheater cars, right? The Lotus Elise, you know, the Mercedes-Benz 130E, all the fastest cars that like would do the best on all the tracks. People would run those cars and we would always call them cheater cars because they're so easy to run, right? You could basically be a newcomer and take over the race. So me and my brother would always go for the oddball cars and take pride in making them drivable and then going out there and whooping some A double crooked letters, right? And taking down cheetah cars, right? So that was something we always took pride in. So when I saw that David was into like all these weird cars, it hit home for me on a different level, right? But I mean, I don't know. That's just the way I saw it. And he has blessed us with a bunch of peanuts.
And they're pink.
Pink peanuts, yay! Okay. So we're gonna get these peanuts out of here. I'm assuming that there might be a letter in here somewhere. Yep, right there. Boom. Come on, baby. Let's get it. All right. Let's get it. Jay and Amanda, thank you for allowing us to share this special moment with y'all. David's from Alabama, I believe. So y'all, that's the apostrophe there. It's the southern twang.
I say y'all sometimes.
It was an honor to participate. You do say y'all sometimes. The community loves you both and will always be here for you. Your friend, David. David, I really appreciate those words, man. This community does love us, and we absolutely love this community back, man. It's been the most welcoming, uplifting community that I've definitely ever been a part of. The only other community that I've really been submerged in is the racing community, and even that can be kind of toxic from time to time. So, David John's Diecast Breakdown. That's cool. Diecast collecting, customizing culture. This is the Diecast breakdown business card. And then we got the Twyce Diecast stickers. Let's go. Let's go. One of these is definitely going to end up on the mat. We got another, and then on the Diecast breakdown on the back. A presentation of Flying Valiant and Diecast Media Network. If you guys haven't seen this, guys, go and check out the Diecast breakdown on the Diecast Media Network channel, formerly known as Flying Valiant. David from Twyce Diecast, as well as Mark, are co-hosts on that, and I actually appeared as a special co-host on the Diecast Media Network. So very cool project they have going on over there, and they've had some very high level customizers and premier people in the community, as well as like a Hot Wheels designer, and you know, they got some good guys on there, some definitely good guys, but the hosts are great guys, and David is one of the nicest guys in the world. So let me stop talking and get to the business. I really don't know what he did, but we're going to find out here right now. And this is a premium display case, so I could tell he went over the top already. And let me just say this. David going over the top is kind of expected. He's the one that did like remember I showed you the Christmas present that was like a car taken apart in like a glass case and all that? It was around Christmas time. Yeah. David's the one that did that. Yeah, it was a shadow box. It was a shadow box of a diecast car. And yes, this is very cool. And I still haven't even seen it, but I can tell the backdrop is in there, and David went to the extreme, which he is known for, but I can't even imagine what he did here. And there's a video, guys. David made a video. If you haven't seen Twyce Diecast, definitely go check him out. He is a very nice person, and he finds some really, really cool stuff. So, double trouble on the backdrop, right? He reached out and asked me if we knew the sex of the girls, if they were girls or boys or whatever. And when I told him that the package arrived earlier today, he told me that the video would explain a little more. So, okay. I'm not sure. It looks like these might be two small things.
I haven't watched any of the videos yet.
I know. It's okay. We're going to get there. Boom. That is a Ferrari. That looks like the Berlinetta, I believe. This was... So it's screwed down. Okay. So this is a Ferrari F355 1/43 scale, and it's made by Mini Champs. I can't read what it says above that. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Mini Champs. I never even heard of them, right? But it's probably some exclusive Italian Ferrari maker over there in Italy that David went and bought for like whatever amount of money and had shipped internationally, because that's what he does. Right? Look at the detail in that thing. Holy cow, man. Guys, I don't think this is a custom. And I apologize if it is, David, but if it is, you are very much a sleeper. Like, you know, this thing is amazing. Amazing, bro. I don't think this is a custom, guys.
Look at the headlights up close. I feel like that's how I can always tell by the headlights.
They're lensed headlights. headlamps. Lensed. That's one of David's terms too.
Sorry.
No. It's funny. It's funny because whenever I hear lensed headlamps, I think of Twyce Diecast. So very cool, man. This is definitely a premium casting. I don't think it's a custom. Excuse me if it is, David. If that's a custom, man, I'm coming back to you. I need a couple of those. Right? But we're gonna get to the goodies here. I believe this is what David put his heart and soul into, and well, I'm gonna go watch the video as soon as I'm done. Yep, there's one. There is one Ferrari, and it looks like he replicated the bigger model here. So if I know David, yeah, that's a F355, okay? That is an F355 with a black and a burgundy interior. And yep, magnetic. Boom, right? We're going to get the other one out. How cool is that?
That's really cool.
We're going to get the other one out here. Yep. And it looks like he did the same exact thing, but he changed up the rims. He changed up the rims because they are not identical twins. And he did a great job on the detailing on this too. You can see the interior there. I'm going to go watch this video as soon as I hang up this phone. Boom. Awesome job, David. The paint is smooth. The details are good on the inside. I don't see any problems with this, man. I would say you are definitely stepping up your skills, my man. He even drilled and tapped the post there, and that's more than I do. But if I know David the way that I think I know David, he had this in his collection. The F355 was in his collection from some exclusive builder out there, right? And he looked at that car and said, I'm going to make 2 more for Double Trouble. And not only did he do that, he stared at it for so long that he decided it was going in the travel case, and he was making a display and sending it out for our girls. And that is super cool, man. Super cool. Very much appreciated, David. I know that you put your heart and soul into this, especially being somebody that doesn't build a lot of cars. We appreciate what you did here. And I'm going to tell you right now, guys, everybody that participated in this build-off, more than any other, we will never forget this. You know, this stays with us forever. Just because, you know, it means that you were thinking about us. You took the time to really, you know, make something. And it's special. It really is special. And I don't think that anything will ever top it. Even though last year we did the Ferrari thing.
I never would have expected a community of grown adults that played with cars would make me so emotional. And not just because I'm pregnant, but, like, you know. You guys rock. Yeah,
you guys have really showed us how much we are appreciated in this community and the love that goes around. And I'm speechless, man. You absolutely knocked it out of the park.
David, these cars are awesome.
Guys, if you haven't seen Twyce Diecast,
it's the mama and the babies.
It is. It is.
You didn't already. That didn't already.
No, it didn't. But I can see that now.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna ride shotgun if it's cool with you. Super cool, man. David from Twyce Diecast. If you guys haven't seen him, I'll leave his channel link down in the description. What can I say? You absolutely knocked it out of the park. And go check out the Diecast breakdown while you're at it, and you can see more of David there. Amanda is getting tired. I think she's tired of sitting in this chair because that's the third one we did tonight. So I'm going to sign out here. That's going to be it from us, guys. Thank you so much, David. We really appreciate what you did, man. And
thank you, David.
Yeah, thank you, David. Absolutely. We're gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Yes.
Peace.